Before we begin, a quick favor. If you've been enjoying the podcast, would you consider leaving a review? It really helps others find this space and join us on their own healing journey. And if you haven't already, you can get your free IFS meditations at exploreifs.com. Thanks so much. Today I want to take this episode to address something that's important, that's been on my heart and mind the last couple of weeks, and something I feel I owe you some clarity on. And I want to start by saying this is one of those episodes where I'm asking you to stay with me. Even if something I say early on creates friction, even if a part of you wants to push back or close the tab or whatever you close, I'm asking you to stay because I think we can hold this together. Something genuinely useful might open up. Racism is real. White supremacy is destructive. Systems and policies that dehumanize people, including many aspects of immigration enforcement in the United States right now. And I realize that there are people listening around the world too. But here, that enforcement caused profound, documented, devastating harm to real human beings. And that's not abstract. That is the lived reality of millions of people. Children separated from parents, families torn apart, communities living in fear, people denied dignity at every turn. That deserves to be named clearly, not softened, not hedged, not buried in clinical language. So I'm naming it. Now,